MBA aspirants. I am Ashutosh Gupta, Assistant Director at NPTI Faridabad. So we will discuss today about the MBA admissions at NPTI. As you know that NPTI has already opened its window for the admission for its MBA Power Management program for 2024 to 2026. Furthermore, we will discuss about NPTI overview of the MBA course and placement report. Next slide. National Power Training Institute is set up by the Government of India to function as the national apex body for the human resource development of power sector personnel in India. NPTI has been providing its services, dedicated services for more than 5 decades. NPTI has trained over 4,60,000 power professionals in its regular program over the past 5 decades. NPTI operates its 11 institutes in the different power zone of the country on all India basis. You can see all the 11 institute of NPTI. I want to tell you that NPTI has conducted its MBA Power Management program at NPTI Corporate Office Faridabad only. Now we are seeing that the overview of the MBA course. This MBA provides the knowledge of the 70% general management and 30% of the power sector inputs. This program targeted towards the fresh graduate for making their future in the power sector. And apart from the inputs of 70% general management and 30% power sector, this program provides inputs of the specific power sector issues, sustainability, data science and data analytics, cyber security and cloud management. And also this program is recognized by AICTE. Now moving to the next slide. This program has a 100% placement record since its inception. Now the major recruiter, as you can see, all the power sector companies is the major recruiter for this program because they need a power professional to managing their day-to-day activities. Like companies like you can see that BSES, IEX, Vedanta and all other private and government companies. Students are as we are graduated from NPTI, we get the power sector government job. So I want to tell that earlier UJVNL and IREDA has to come here for the campus placement, and nowadays as we are seeing that many government companies is in their advertisement putting desirable or minimum qualifications, like you can see in this slide, 2-year MBA in finance/power. So the source is Power Finance Corporation vacancy advertisement. You can check in the internet. Moving to the next slide. Now the admission part. The eligibility of this program is all candidates must have valid CAT, CMAT, MAT, ZAT, GMAT scorecard or should have appeared for NPTI admission test. Those students who have not given CAT, CMAT, MAT, ZAT, GMAT, they have a chance to present in the NPTI admission test and they will get a chance to enroll in that course. And also the candidate should have minimum 60% marks in their graduation. Now moving towards the seat, we have all India 120 seat. For that you can see in the slide the bifurcation. For general it is 41, SC 16, ST 08, OBC NCL 28, EWS 12 and 15 seat is reserved for the sponsored candidate. Moving to the next slides on important dates. लास्ट डेट ऑफ रिसीट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन थ्रू नेट, जो भी नेट के थ्रू अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए लास्ट डेट होगी 4 मार्च 2024 एंड लास्ट डेट ऑफ रिसीट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन थ्रू कैट, सीमेट, मैट, जैट या जीमैट इट विल बी 10th of April 2024 and group discussion and personal interview will be on 27th and 28th May 2024 and counseling will be on 29th May 2024. NPTI admission test will be scheduled on the 12th of March 2024 and result would be tentatively on 19th March 2024. Now moving to the course fee. The course fee is 2 lakh per semester, and apart from that security deposit, hostel, room rent, alumni association and student welfare activity. Now moving further, USP of NPTI MBA Power Management Program. It is a specialized MBA in power. Second, cost effective compared to other institute. 100% placement record since program inception. Degree from reputed institute under Ministry of Power. Desirable qualification for many government organization utilities. Strong alumni base almost in each power sector organization, and having even in partner in Big Four consultancy, and chances to work in the most critical infrastructure sector. आई होप आज की वीडियो से हमारे MBA की सारी जानकारी आपको मिल गई होगी। अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी है तो आप हमारे वेबसाइट पे विजिट कर सकते हैं, लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दी है। थैंक यू।